Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Makeda. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today's video is sponsored by Dossier. Dossier is a luxury fragrance powerhouse. They have such a catalog of fragrances and candles that are luxury, from YSL, Dior, Chanel, Le Labo, anything you can think of, they have it at an affordable price. You can experience luxury without breaking the bank for your body, for your man, for your girlfriend, for your home, and I absolutely love that. So Dossier was so generous to give me a coupon code for you guys, so be sure to click the link down below so you don't miss out on this discount. But Dossier is that girl, period. But thank you so much to my Dossier family. I absolutely love you guys. And also, this video is all about personal style, but it's so important as well to develop a personal scent, so definitely experiment with Dossier. So I really wanted to get this video for you guys. This video is all about discovering your personal style. So while it's very challenging, it's super important to build a wardrobe that reflects who you truly are. So in this video, I'm definitely going to be sharing some personal tips and tricks that really have helped me with my fashion journey. I've always loved fashion, but I don't think at all points in my life my style reflected who I truly was. And now I'm in a space where my style definitely reflects who I am, and that is with these tips and tricks that I have learned throughout the years that have been quite expensive, but we're here now and we're grateful. So let's get started. So tip number one, which is my absolute favorite tip, and I think this is what was like the pivot within my fashion journey that has made my wardrobe so versatile, is I did research. So if you are at the point where you don't even know where to start in your fashion journey, just go on Pinterest and just look up, you know, street style. If you're at the point where I am, where I know what pieces I like and what pieces I know I want to wear in my wardrobe, go in. Like, I knew I really wanted lots of blazers into my wardrobe, so I knew I wanted like at least 3 black blazers. I wanted one with gold buttons. I wanted one that didn't have gold buttons but was more like a men's style. I wanted like a tuxedo style that's a little bit longer. Like, I already knew the pieces that I wanted in my wardrobe, and I just went on Pinterest to kind of get an idea of what it would look like, and then also to find links, because you can also shop through Pinterest. So my number one tip is just go add things to a folder and just go from there, and that's what I did. So I started with blazers, then I went to jeans, then I did my basics, and I just had folders for each, and then I would just check things off my list. And over time, I've built a wardrobe that I absolutely love, and I really can interchange it with like different pieces, because I absolutely hated buying things all the time and then yet I never had things to wear. Like, I just felt like I was wasting money. And now I'm at a place where literally I have timeless pieces in my wardrobe that I can just put together and go out for brunch, go out to dinner, go out to a show, like, because I already have them, you know? So do your research. Google, Pinterest, you can go on YouTube, now you can go on TikTok. There's so many, you know, free resources that you can use. So do your research and see what kind of looks you like, and then just build it and customize it to yourself. So tip number 2 for finding your personal style and really building a wardrobe that you love is to really look at your lifestyle. Are you a corporate baddie but you tend to go out after work and you don't like the corporate look? So think about things where I can have a blazer on, but then maybe I can take it off, change my pants, like things like that. Are you a stay-at-home mom but you want to look more stylish? So maybe I should add neutrals to my wardrobe that I always look put together. I don't really have to think about it. So you really have to think about your lifestyle and kind of build a wardrobe that is versatile but definitely does not restrict you. So that is my number 2 tip, because I do work for myself, but also I do have to go into the office from time to time, and I really have to look at all those elements when I am looking at my wardrobe. Number 3 is to identify things that you love, and this is why tip number 1 was so easy for me when I started to revamp and rebuild my wardrobe, because I really knew what pieces worked for my body and what I really loved wearing. So if you are starting from the ground up and you have key pieces that you like in your wardrobe, a great task for you to do is look in your wardrobe, take out everything that you really love, and look at it and see if there's a common denominator within those pieces, and that can be your starting point to build your wardrobe. Do you really love neutrals? Okay, I love neutrals, but I want a chic neutral look. So go on Pinterest and then you would just do chic neutral street style, street chic neutral outfits, so things like that. But find what you like and then go from there. Number 4 is to go in an actual store and try on pieces that you normally would never try on. You might be surprisingly shocked at things that you really do like. I have been there where I used to literally hate like tailored like pants, like I just wanted to be in jeans or leggings, and now I absolutely love a pair of slacks that are well tailored. It just makes you look so rich, so fancy, and they're really comfortable. And I literally can go from the office to the grocery store, I can hop on the train in them and run to New York, like anything that I need to do, and I still look put together. So really try on things that have the elements of what you want. Like I like to look put together, so I tend to go for pieces that look a little bit more structured, look a little bit more tailored, a little bit more business. So use that as a starting point and just experiment. You will never know unless you try. So number 5 is after we've done 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once we have like the pieces that we love, we have our inspiration, we've gone and experimented and seen what's out there and what fits our body type, we're now going to redefine our wardrobe and we're going to put it all together. So this is not something where it's going to be an overnight thing unless you have, you know, buku cash that you can just redo your whole entire wardrobe in one. If that's the case, girl, do it. But it is going to take some time, because over time your personal style will change. You know, sometimes you might like all black blazers, now you're like, no, I like gray, I like blue, I like white. So just take it little by little in little doses and put it all together. So now let's start building your first outfit. Identify what piece you want to start with. Start with a basic or a staple piece. This might be a top, this might be a blazer, this might be a pant, and then just go from there using our inspos from Pinterest, and then just adding in the elements that work for your body and everything that you love. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope that you have found your personal style and you are having fun with fashion. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.